come with me as I prepare this order for a client. And of course, I have a cup of tea because it's a cold month and we need to keep warm. Now, as I was preparing this order, I started off with the broadleaf managu. These are the giant, mild tasting managu. Now, I kept thinking, the very chemicals that are meant to protect our food are the same ones killing the people who grow it. And on a recent report by NTV, we saw how families are burying parents and grandparents. In Meru County alone, 10 plus families are dead from cancer, diabetes, and other chronic illnesses that are directly related to pesticides and herbicides used to grow food. Now, according to this report, 5 more of these people are fighting to live. Now, these are the people that we have seen from the television and people that we have heard of, some of whom we have related with directly. Now, how about those of us who we do not know about? And where do we, as individuals and our families, stand in all of this? Now, years ago, I started thinking about how I could control the food that I eat. And this led me to farming food organically because I needed to be certain of the food I eat. And because it's so hard to tell if vegetables are chemically grown, I decided to grow my own. These are food that are clean, chemical-free, and safe. I believe prevention is better than cure, and if you all eat right food all year round, we can be able to keep the doctor away and live free. Now, as you can see from this video, I am harvesting different varieties of vegetables. There is the terere, there is the giant managu, there is spinach, there is also some cherry tomatoes, which of course I had to taste to, the goodness of the farm. It's so yummy. And of course, we have the coriander. Now, in every box that I pack, it is a promise of fresh, clean, traceable vegetables for families like you who care about what is on your plate. Now, if you would like to also enjoy this type of food, we have a weekly deliveries schedule that we normally do for our clients. And if you'd like to join, this week we are offering 15% off your first box. If you would like to give your loved ones food that is grown with love and nature at its best, we got you covered. And after harvesting and packaging it well, it is time now to deliver, and we deliver it the same day that you request for it because we want you to get that crunchy feeling of fresh vegetables from the farm as though you had grown them. I mean, if you have been desiring to grow your own vegetables and you haven't been able to achieve this dream, we can help you achieve this. Of course, after we have packaged, we have to indicate where it's coming from and where it's going. And after that, we get off to the station and we send it to you, right to your doorstep or wherever you would like us to send it. You receive it fresh, crunchy, and yummy. If you'd like to enjoy this, holla at me.